Hello makers, welcome to the AGF Quilt block collection. Today we'll be making the Mayflower block featuring campsite fabrics. Fireflies, foxes, and fawns. This block is the cutest way to show off all the adorable fabrics in the campsite collection. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe below for fun fabric videos and sewing tutorials. Check out the description box below to find all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. Fussy cut one 6.5-inch square from fabric A, C, E, and G. Then cut contrasting fabrics for your corner square triangles. You will need one 4.5-inch square and two 3-inch squares from each fabric. Draw a diagonal line with a fabric marking pen on the wrong sides of your 4.5-inch and 3.5-inch squares. Place your 4.5-inch square on top of the right corner of your 6.5-inch square. Sew on the lines you drew. Trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch and press your piece open. Now it's time to place your 3-inch squares to each corner of your 6.5-inch square. Sew on the line you drew. Again, trim your seam allowances to 1/4 inch and press corners open. Repeat this process 3 more times with the remaining fabric pieces to create 4 blocks. Watch for fabric placement and orientation. When your 4 blocks are complete, it should form an X. Make sure seams are pressed in alternating directions and sew your 4 blocks together. Your Mayflower block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt block creations made with AGF fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection to be entered to win our monthly fabric bundle giveaway. 2 winners are chosen every month. Thanks for watching. For more fun sewing videos, subscribe to the AGF channel. Leave us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. To get notified when new AGF block tutorials are released, click the bell underneath the video. Until next time, happy sewing!